Armor. A drill press. Yeah, sure. You can get by without one if you can afford one and if you can fit one in your own workshop, then hell yes, that will definitely help out so much because with a drill press you can even get yourself a sort of like spindle so you can make it into a sander and then build a jig so you can do, spindle sander stuff on your drill press. And so basically in that regard you'll get a couple of tools in one. But yeah, other way you can go about without a drill press is just practice with a hand drill. I mean, that's all I have. It's right over here. I don't have a drill press, but I do everything with this, and this goes a long way. My ferrule holes are not straight. Yeah. See, ferrules are a nuisance in that sense. Do you mean the entire length of like a string through, where you're going all the way through, or just the part with the ferrules? Because if you just have the part with the ferrules, you could technically drill it a bit deeper. But yeah, I know what you mean. Drilling out ferrules and ferrule holes and string through holes, that's a real big bummer to do by hand. But it just takes practice. Just the part with the ferrules. All right. Well, what I would suggest for next time around, technically you could plug the holes up and try again. But what I would suggest is having a similar piece of like scrap wood, which is about the same dimensions of the area that you're drilling into. So if you're doing the string through the entire thing by hand, have a block of wood that is roughly the same wood that you're using for the body and roughly the same thickness, and then do test holes. So drill some test holes. Do halfway from one side and then halfway from the other side. That usually helps out quite a bit. Smaller drill bits have a tendency to wander, but also having really good drill bits helps out a hell of a lot. So if your drill bits aren't, the sharpest, they'll also wander quite a bit. A lot of things go into it, but yeah, practice is basically what it boils down to.